Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Deepak Sahu from class 8. Today we are going to say some lines about the solar system, and I like to call Darakshan Rehani to say some lines about solar system.
Thank you to Deepak to give me a great opportunity to speak few lines about the solar system. So we all are together here to represent our solar system. So first of all, I am going to introduce about it. Solar system is the system bounding with gravitational force consisting suns and celestial body around it orbit. It also consists 8 planets that are going to be introduced about it. Thank you.
Sun is the largest star in the solar system. Its weight consists of 109 times bigger than Earth, and its weight is 2 into 10 to the power 27 ton. Its energy came from the process of nuclear fusion, in which hydrogen turn into helium. It takes 8 light minutes to reach the sunlight to the Earth.
Mercury is the first planet from the Sun, the largest and the smallest planet in our solar system. It is terrestrial planet with a heavily pressured surface. It has no atmosphere and satellite in a Mercury. It was only seen by Earth at the sunrise or sunset because it is so close to the sun.
Venus is the second planet in our solar system. Venus is also known as Earth because its sunlight smallest than Earth. Popularly known as evening star and morning star, it is the brightest planet of 0.65% reflecting power.
Earth is the third planet from the sun. It's also known as the blue planet because of the more water. Earth is the first planet in solar system with the support like the living thing and non-living thing. Thank you.
Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is also called as red planet. There is little bit of light possibility. Exit of light. It has 2 satellites, Bromos and Neom.
Jupiter, one of the largest planet of our solar system, and this is also called our 5th planet, and it was joined with the Mars, also called Lord of Heaven. When it gives more than energy from the sun, it gives it faster rotational from our solar system.
Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun and the second largest. Unique features from its system of rings and 82 planets in it. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun and gaseous and ice giant. This is also called as ice planet and made up of water surrounded by 8 systems of 9 faint rings.
Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. It has 14 satellites and 27 satellites is emitted like Meridian, Prominent and Ariel. And Neptune takes 165 Earth years ago around the sun, and Neptune is 4 times wider than the Earth.